What's up, guys?
Hey everybody, today we're going to be sharing what our 6 vegan kids eat in a day, breakfast edition. But first we wanted to say welcome to the first vlog of 2021. Guys, we have so many exciting things coming in 2021. We can't wait to share everything with you. But first, we did want to celebrate the fact that we have sold over 630 copies of our ebooks that we dropped last year in November. We are so excited about that.
Absolutely.
So make sure you pick up our ebooks. We have 2 cookbooks and a vegan starter guide. Make sure you'll pick that up.
If you don't have it already, what are you doing?
What are you even doing?
Come on now.
What are you even doing?
At least start the new year off right.
Yes.
Now, towards the end of last year, we were also featured on CNBC's Make It series, where they featured the Impossible Burger. And we also had a couple reels on IG go viral. Yes. So we ended up gaining 2,000 followers in about 2 weeks. Yeah, so we're up to over 5,600 on IG. We hit over 13,000 here on YouTube. We're talking almost like 19K followers on social media. Yeah, y'all are crazy, man.
We actually reached out to 3 of our favorite brands to do something pretty special to celebrate our growth on social media. Yes. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see what that's about. But first, we were actually sent a box of vegan goodies by our friends over at Vedgeco. We love y'all. Yeah, they actually did a collab with the folks over at Veganuary, and our older boys are going to do the unboxing, and they're going to share something else really exciting, an exciting milestone our family recently had. But before they get into that, here is a little more on Vedgeco's collab with Veganuary.
Vedgeco and Veganuary are teaming up to offer a special Veganuary sampler pack, which has 8 different items to help get people on the right track to a plant-based new year. It also includes a credit for $20 off your next purchase when you receive your box. This box is great for anyone curious about starting a plant-based journey.
Okay guys, so before we get into this Vedgeco haul, we want to share some pretty exciting news.
We were featured in a magazine for the first time. VegNews magazine. It's actually their first ever black vegan issue. Our mom and dad are actually on page 7. There they are. You can see them right there. So shout out to Vedgeco for featuring us in their ad, and much love to everyone else featured.
Also, we were shocked to find out that we were featured on page 88 in this article, where VegNews said, and I quote, "This Infinite Life is your one-stop shop for reliable food reviews, adorable kid-friendly content, and the latest on vegan products. Pick up your copy of VegNews and tag us when you do." So shout out to VegNews for featuring us in that article.
And shout out to Vedgeco for featuring us in their ad. Now let's get into this
Vedgeco unboxing!
Oh, beautiful thing. Robin, can you even reach in there?
Yeah. Oh wait, what are you implying?
I'm saying, it looks
I'm a very tall man.
Don't insult my tolerance. Oh, and by the way, you can use code INFINITE to save $10 off your Vedgeco order. Alright, let's get into this unboxing.
I literally can't
Caution,
wait. Dry
dry ice. Do not handle without gloves.
Alright!
Our first thing is vegan shrimp from All Vegetarian Inc. That is the first item.
I cannot wait to make fried rice with this.
I like making fried rice with this. I like making kebabs with this. There's so many fun things you can do with shrimp. We also recently just got a deep freezer, and it's perfect for all these bulk items. So that means there's more space for more Vedgeco. Oh, and by the way, we're doing a What's in Our Vegan Deep Freezer tour soon. So stay tuned for that video.
Alright, I'll take out the next thing.
Ooh,
Impossible.
Impossible is my favorite burger meat company. I always make the burgers. I love the way it tastes. I love how you can mix it in taco meat. We always put it in our lasagna. We can make meatloaf out of Impossible meat. There's so many endless possibilities with Impossible.
Yeah, I love Impossible so much. It's the best. This is the best vegan meat on the market. We actually have a vegan chili recipe that we're going to be showing you guys soon. So stay tuned.
My turn. Ooh, All Vegetarian Inc. Vegan Smoked Drumsticks.
This is the best drumstick chicken on the market right now.
Yes, it is. This is my favorite to have on the side of rice and beans, mac and cheese.
My all-time favorite thing to have it with is that infinite dip. You gotta try it out. It's in the cookbook. Go get it.
Go get our cookbook, go make our infinite dip, and dip this in it.
If you are doing Veganuary, the best combo is Vedgeco and this Infinite Bite cookbook. Learn the best ways to cook everything in this box. Really bring out the flavor. So yeah, get that cookbook, use our code, and get yourself a box.
Alright, on to the next thing. Your turn, Rocky.
Oh, what is this? Yes!
This is just egg, guys. My favorite vegan egg to use, besides tofu scramble.
It tastes exactly like egg. If you're looking for vegan egg, this is the egg to buy. My favorite meals to make with it, sandwiches, burgers, even just like omelets.
My favorite thing to make with just egg is egg, sausage, and Daya cheese on a Whole Foods croissant.
Ooh, you nasty.
We have the Infinite Love Sandwich in our cookbook. It's delicious. We also have an awesome quiche recipe in there. You gotta try it. All right, let's do this.
Alright, so these next 3 things we're really excited about.
We're talking pulled pork, carne asada, and seitan to make just about anything.
Now, we've never tried these 2 on the channel, but we're gonna be making videos showing you guys how to cook them coming up soon. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell.
So this seitan we've actually made on the channel already to make the most amazing vegan cheesesteak. It was so good. Make sure you check out that video.
This box also includes Beehive vegan pepperoni, which we use to make this delicious vegan pizza.
Alright,
Alright, on to the next thing. Ooh! All
bacon!
vegetarian egg bacon, my favorite bacon. My favorite bacon.
This goes great with quiche, egg. Sorry, the 4 younger kids are upstairs and they're kind of crazy. Our favorite meals to make with this are quiche, collard greens, or just omelets. This is your go-to bacon. It tastes exactly like bacon. It cooks like bacon. It smells like bacon. This is the vegan bacon.
You know what? I think this is the one thing we're gonna make today with breakfast.
It's gonna be so good. Stay tuned for that.
Alright, so this was the last thing in the box. We're about to show you guys how we make it.
Alright!
Woo! Alright guys, so what we actually like to do is we split these down the middle. It actually doubles the amount of bacon that we have. It makes it crispier in the air fryer and it improves the flavor.
Alright guys, so this is infinite pancake batter, our family's recipe from our vegan cookbook. So my mom came up with this idea for me to make the dry mix and the wet mix ahead of time. That way, when it's time for me to make pancakes, all I have to do is combine these 3 parts. The dry infinite pancake mix, the butter, and the wet mixture. And that's it. All I have to do is combine these 3, and then I have our delicious vegan infinite pancakes. Let me show you how I do it.
Getting up some fruity water.
What's in there?
Raspberries and blueberries.
Can I see?
Oh wow.
There we go.
Those are raspberries, Wesley. Oh.
You full, Winston? No? You just tired? No? Whoa, you ate a lot of food there, boy. Good job. Winston finished all his food.
That's big slate.
Woo! Yeah, baby.
All right, guys, we actually have more videos just like this one coming up this year.
Yes.
Make sure you read in the description box all about the giveaway that we are having with the 3 companies.
Our grand prize giveaway winner will receive a $50 Vedgeco gift card, a variety pack from Maxine's Heavily, which includes each of their 4 signature flavors, and an order of popcorn chicken, vegan ribs, and sweet and spicy chipotle sauce from Atlas Monroe.
We're gonna put what you're gonna be winning. If you win the giveaway, we're gonna put that up on the screen right now.
Yes.
And we will have all the details about the giveaway in the description box below. Make sure you read through all those details about how to enter. And best of luck to all of you guys. Any cookbook orders before the end of the giveaway, you get 5 extra entries. So make sure you read all the details about that.
5 extra entries, guys. So if you don't got that cookbook yet, now is the time to get it.
Yes, and we will be revealing the winner in an upcoming vlog. Make sure you follow us on IG.
Follow us.
We're very active over there.
Yes.
We post daily.
Also, guys, leave a comment below to let us know what you guys want to see in these vlogs.
As you guys can see, we redid our kitchen. So we're going to be doing a new kitchen tour. We're going to be doing what's in our deep freezer tour, as the kids mentioned before. So any ideas that you guys have for videos, we're definitely open to hearing about that. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And also, we have been getting a lot of DMs about the business side of YouTube and the business side of being vegan influencers. So if you guys want to hear about that, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.